Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with 15 insane gadgets from Amazon and the internet. Let the tech showcase begin. The Oladance OWS Sports earphones offer an innovative open-ear design, delivering 360 degrees immersive sound without entering the ear canal, ensuring comfort and awareness of surroundings. Utilizing air conduction technology avoids ear fatigue and hearing damage. With powerful base IPX8 waterproof rating and 15 hours of battery life, they cater to athletes, travelers, and anyone seeking a comfortable, high-quality audio experience. The earphones are designed for all-day comfort, making them suitable for various activities. Philips SmartSleep, your personalized sleep solution. With app-enabled customization of sunset and sunrise, enjoy a wake-up tailored to you. Smart features include midnight light, FM radio, phone charging dock, and more. Proven to boost morning energy and mood, it offers Relax Breathe for a peaceful bedtime. The Ambitrax sensor optimizes your sleep environment, while Sleep Mapper syncs metrics with Apple and Google Health. As featured in Buy-Side from the Wall Street Journal, experience a smarter, more restful sleep with Philips SmartSleep. Unleash the power of the upgraded Swing Dueling Lightsaber. With motion control, turn the blade on or off with ease, and choose from 12 sound fonts and 16 colors for a personalized dueling experience. The metal hilt ensures a comfortable grip, and the sturdy PC blade is resistant to folds and bends, making it perfect for real heavy dueling. Enjoy authentic sound effects and smooth swings with 3 volume settings. Plus, the rechargeable 3000 mAh battery provides over 2 hours of continuous play on a full charge. ESR Magnetic Phone Ring Holder. The perfect blend of strength and versatility. With a robust 1,200-gram magnetic lock, it securely grips your caseless phone or one with a MagSafe or Halo Lock case, ensuring it stays in place until you decide otherwise. The 0.9-inch diameter ring, lined with specially designed TPE, offers a comfortable and secure grip. Enjoy hands-free viewing in portrait or landscape mode with the adjustable dual-joint design and 360-degree ring of magnets. Meet the FemPot electric French fry cutter, a kitchen game-changer. Effortlessly cut fries with 3 buttons, and its innovative ingredient drawer simplifies loading pre-cut fries. The detachable design makes cleaning a breeze, and the larger feeding chute handles bigger potatoes. Organize with the retractable ingredient drawer, adjusting storage space efficiently. Enjoy liberated hands with the 3-button operation, ensuring consistent sizes and easy cleaning. CREN MC01, your all-in-one lantern and Bluetooth speaker for ultimate outdoor enjoyment. With 8 functions and 25 lighting modes, including music synchronization, it's perfect for adventures. Emitting 1,000 lumens with a 240-meter beam, it's a versatile flashlight. Use it as a synchronized party light or for emergencies with its powerful strobe function. Pair 2 units for synchronized sound and lighting. The MC01 creates a rich auditory journey, dancing to the beat of your favorite tunes. Illuminate your path and set the mood with cool, ambient lighting. Step into a new era of exploration with WonderWatt, your ultimate adventure companion. Charge 6 devices simultaneously with its diverse outputs: wireless, AC, USB-A, and USB-C, catering to everything from AirPods to projectors. Boasting a mighty capacity, WonderWatt ensures your devices stay powered during your adventures. With 100 watts PD charging, it supports swift power needs for cameras, MacBooks, and more. Conquer the elements with the integrated arc lighter, handling extreme conditions effortlessly. Beyond the wild, the universal socket powers high-demand devices like projectors and induction cookers. Illuminate your world with WonderWatt's powerful LED light, offering a radiant glow with adjustable brightness. Embark on an interactive journey with Star Wars R2-D2 Tamagotchi. Train R2-D2 by playing minigames like firefighting and Daejeric holochess. With 19 skills to master and 7 unlockable minigames, keep him charged, clean, and happy. Beware, neglecting R2-D2 for too long might lead the mischievous Jawas to take him away. Dive into the Star Wars universe and shape R2-D2's destiny. Introducing the Swivel Pet Reach Vacuum by BISSELL, a powerful solution for pet hair on stairs and upholstery. Every purchase supports BISSELL Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. With triple action brush roll, scatter-free technology, and specialized pet tools, it offers seamless pet hair pickup. The quick-release extension wand enables convenient above-floor cleaning, and its swivel steering and lightweight design ensure powerful performance without heavy lifting. Elevate your everyday carry with the GPCA CARABINER Pro. More than just a keychain clip, it's a durable base camp for your essentials. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it features a box cutter, screwdriver, and bottle opener. Sleek, lightweight, and versatile, it secures keys, attached to bags, and more. Available in various colors, it blends style with practicality. Whether outdoors or tackling DIY projects, enjoy convenience, organization, and peace of mind. Elevate your space with the 3D wooden world map, a timeless centerpiece for homes and offices. Multi-layered and crafted with precision, it's a unique decor alternative for living rooms, dining spaces, offices, and kids' rooms. Perfect for travelers with discerning tastes, this modern and elegant piece adds a touch of sophistication to any interior. Make a statement with the 3D wooden world map, a thoughtful and stylish gift that stands the test of time. Experience unparalleled comfort with the Zyllion rechargeable neck and shoulder massager. Unlike others, it offers a 4D deep tissue rubbing massage, replicating a skilled masseuse's hands. Adjust the pressure with extended arm straps for a hands-free massage. Cordless and rechargeable with USB-C, enjoy up to 3 hours of bliss anywhere. Say goodbye to knots and discomfort, indulge in a true rubbing massage experience, tailored to your well-being, your way. Introducing the Bumblebee 2, your go-to professional desktop USB microphone for unparalleled audio quality. Delivering clear, full-range 24-bit audio, its internally shock-mounted 25mm condenser capsule captures every nuance. Ideal for streamers, gamers, podcasters, musicians, and conferencing, the cardioid polar pattern focuses on the sound you want. Enjoy zero latency, high-fidelity monitoring with a mute button and LED status indicator. Aero kick scooter for kids 6 and up. Safety features include a non-slip deck, TPE hand grip, rear brakes, and a sturdy aluminum frame supporting up to 110 pounds. Stand out with dynamic RGB lights and 3 lighting modes powered by motion sensor technology, requiring only 3 AA batteries for over 60 days. The foldable design and height adjustability make it portable and adaptable for children aged 6 and above, ensuring a safe, fun, and evolving outdoor experience. Homely Rechargeable Spotlight, a chameleon handheld spotlight flashlight that adapts to your every need. With 3 modes for high and low beam lights, soft reading lights, purple lights, and a strobe red light, it's your versatile companion in the wilderness. Boasting 9 light modes and a powerful 6,000 lumens beam, it illuminates up to 5,000 feet, providing security in the dark. The built-in battery offers 10 to 50 hours of life and doubles as an outdoor power bank. IP45 waterproof and made for tough conditions, it's perfect for outdoor activities. With a portable design, including a shoulder strap and tripod screw hole, it's a must-have for hunting, camping, emergencies, and more. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video next time.